Hey guys, what's up? So if you want to do the mermaid AI filter trend and it's not working in your TikTok or in your CapCut, then what you can do, we have a solution. Just go to your browser. Okay guys, visit this website. The website name is memeclip.ai. Okay, so this is the website. Here you will see click to upload an image. Just tap on it. Browse the picture from your camera roll. Okay, let's go with this one. Hit done. Okay, now tap on generate. Okay, and done. Let's check. Okay, and done. So now you can download it from this website and you can use it in your TikTok. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can use this website and do this trend. Sometimes the results are not good, but you can give it a try. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.